Is your tomato plant getting so tall that you can barely reach the top? Maybe it's growing way above its cage, leaning over, or producing more stems and leaves than you know what to do with. Don't worry. A tall tomato plant isn't necessarily a bad tomato plant. Some varieties are naturally designed to keep growing. But if your plant is becoming too tall and difficult to manage, there are a few simple things you can do. In this video, I'll show you how to control a tall tomato plant without unnecessarily cutting it apart. Let's get started. First, you should know what type of tomato you have. Before you start cutting anything, there's one thing you need to know. Is your tomato plant determinate or indeterminate? Determinate tomatoes grow to a more limited size and produce most of their crop around the same time. Indeterminate tomatoes are different. They can continue growing taller and producing tomatoes throughout the season. So if you have an indeterminate variety, some height is completely normal. The goal isn't to stop the plant from growing. The goal is to keep that growth under control. 1. Give it the right support. One of the biggest reasons tomato plants become difficult to manage is simply because their support is too short. A small cage might work when the plant is young, but once the plant becomes several feet tall, it can grow right through the top. For indeterminate tomatoes, use a tall, sturdy cage, stake, or trellis from the beginning. This gives the plant somewhere to grow instead of allowing it to flop over. And here's an important tip. Don't wait until the plant is huge before adding support. It's much easier to train a young tomato plant than to untangle a giant one later. 2. Train the plant instead of letting it go everywhere. If your tomato plant is growing in several directions, you don't necessarily need to cut it all back. Instead, train the main stems. Use soft plant ties to gently guide the stems upward or along your trellis. Don't tie them tightly. Leave a little room for the stem to grow. The goal is to create a plant that's organized and supported rather than one giant tangled mass. This also makes harvesting much easier. 3. Control excessive sucker growth. This is where pruning can help. Tomato suckers are shoots that grow between the main stem and a branch. If you leave every sucker on an indeterminate plant, you can quickly end up with a huge number of stems. That can make the plant extremely wide and difficult to manage. But don't make the mistake of removing every sucker. Instead, remove the ones that are creating heavy overcrowding, blocking airflow, growing in unwanted directions, or making the plant difficult to support. 4. When it reaches the top, stop chasing height. Now here's the situation many gardeners eventually face. Your tomato plant has reached the top of its support. What do? Don't keep letting it grow vertically without a plan. If the plant has reached the top of a trellis or support, you can gently redirect the growing stem along the support. Depending on your growing system and variety, some gardeners also allow the stem to grow downward after reaching the top. The important thing is to work with the support system you have. Don't let a tall plant become a tangled mess simply because you don't know what to do when it reaches the top. 5. Don't overfeed with nitrogen. Here's another thing to check if your tomato plant seems to be growing leaves and stems incredibly fast. Your fertilizer. Too much nitrogen can encourage excessive leafy growth. You may end up with a huge green plant that seems more interested in growing than producing fruit. Tomatoes need nutrients throughout the season, but more fertilizer isn't always better. Follow the fertilizer instructions and avoid constantly feeding the plant with high nitrogen products. A healthy tomato plant needs a balance between vegetative growth and fruit production. So if your tomato plant is getting too tall, don't panic and don't start chopping it apart. Remember these 5 things. 1. Know whether it's determinate or indeterminate. 2. Give it strong, tall support. 3. Train the main stems. 4. Selectively remove excessive growth. 5. Avoid overfeeding with nitrogen. And remember, a tall tomato plant isn't necessarily a problem. A tomato plant that's uncontrolled, unsupported, and overcrowded is the real problem. Some tomato varieties are simply built to grow. The key is learning how to control that growth and give the plant the structure it needs. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple and practical tomato growing tips. And let me know in the comments, how tall are your tomato plants getting this season?